The Full of Life Scrapbooking Workshop Kit includes all the materials you need to create 5 2-page layouts. Let's take a look at those layouts. Here's one, Celebrate Good Times. This is your year. This is a perfect neutral color palette for male and female, which is wonderful. And you'll see some glimmer paper in the background there. And some of the paper was embossed with the one of the Stampin' Up! Embossing folders, which you won't have in your kit, so you can choose an embossing folder in your stash. That's one of the layouts. Here's another layout celebrating an achievement. Yay, you did it. So whatever that achievement is, we've got some silver foil paper and then a journaling spot here for the details. Here is a happy birthday to you, and this is again a good color palette for masculine photos, but of course they would work for male and female. Here is one, again, depending on the colors in your photos, this could work for anybody, but it's a fun technique where you roll your paper, your strips of paper at the end, and it just makes such a fun embellishment in the background. So the tighter you roll them, the lower profile they are. And then I just noticed that this sentiment here was stamped, so you won't have the stamp set in your kit, so you could put something else, choose a sentiment from your own stamp sets. And then this is the last one, where flowers bloom, so does hope. I don't know about you, but flowers just bring me joy and make me smile, and the world is just right with fresh flowers. So anyway, so those are the layouts. I hope that you create this and use this and enjoy it as much as I have. You can find this kit and more on my website, creatingwithchristine.com.